What's going on, everybody? Brad from Cerakote here. Just wanted to do a quick run by on some of the prizes you could win for our 200 subscriber giveaway. Once we hit 200 subscribers, we're going to do a big giveaway live where you have a chance to win a bunch of things. Some of the things include the Cerakote t-shirt, or the baby shark knife Cerakoted by yours truly, the magnetic bottle opener, which is of course made in the USA. Also, you have Dan's honing oil, the the MT bonded D2 knife that you could win. You also have the Grim Digger, which is one of our grand prizes. You also have a surprise Cerakote grand prize knife that will be shown on the live for the 200 subscriber giveaway. Also, another grand prize I forgot, the Humvee foldable shovel. Freaking amazing. It's going to be an awesome live. You also have the P100 tactical tool that'll be available also for giveaway. And it is going to be amazing, and we look forward to all of our subs being there for our 200 subscriber giveaway when we hit 200, so like and share, guys.